welcome to Pacans. Today we would be working on English Common Confusions lecture number 2, and we would be working on the difference between a number and the number. So this is lecture number 2 of the Common Confusions. I would be covering about 50 lectures, and I would try my best to complete all of them in the next 10 to 15 days. Now let's have a look at this. The first one is a number and the other one is the number. Let's start. I'm going to write down a sentence. A number of people, would you write down is or are? आप यहाँ पे is लगाएंगे या फिर are लगाएंगे. और दूसरा सेंटेंस है would you put is or are? Now if you're taking any kind of English exam, if you're going for any kind of English exam, it could be IELTS, TOEFL, or even if you're trying to improve your basic English, there are so many times when you would be making these mistakes. आप ये वाली mistakes inadvertently का मतलब होता है knowingly आप इनको commit करते हैं, and you keep on saying कौन सी book पढ़ें, कौन सी book से करना चाहिए, मगर हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि तकरीबन 50 errors होते हैं total जो हम commit कर रहे होते हैं. उसके लिए किसी book की नहीं, you basically need to first of all know what the error is, then you have to do a quiz about it. So every time I would be doing one an error like that or common confusion lecture like this, I would be also uploading a quiz so that all of you could also do it and see whether you have acquired the skill or not. अच्छा, अब इसके अंदर, if you guys have a look at this one, a number of people is coming, a number of people are coming. I want you guys to write down in the comment box. अब क्या लिखेंगे? आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? आप लिखेंगे a number of people is coming या फिर आप लिखेंगे a number of people are coming? Please tell me and then I'll tell you. Please write down your answer in the comment box. Tell me if you have a number of people. अगर आप लिख रहे हैं तो आप उसके साथ is coming लिखेंगे या फिर are coming लिखेंगे. Okay. A number of people are coming. Okay, very good, Mr. Mirza. Now, if you look at the second one, you are having a look at the number of people is coming or the number of people are coming. Have a look at the second one. If you look at the second sentence, would it be the number of people is coming or the number of people are coming? Now, please remember it. अगर आप writing task 1 IELTS का कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को सबको पता है कि गवर्नमेंट ने अब अलाउ नहीं किया हुआ, और मेजॉरिटी लोग जो हैं वो कहते हैं कि ऑनलाइन ही पढ़ना है तो फिर पैसे क्यों दें. और जिन लोगों ने पैसे भी दिए हुए थे एकेडमी में, वो कहते थे जब एकेडमी स्टार्ट होगी हम करेंगे. मगर अब ये ऑनलाइन जो मैं क्लासेस करा रहा हूँ ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हैं. मैं 12 बजे कल से आ जाया करूँगा. आई वुड बी हेयर एट 12 PM so that you all could do all these things systematically. The second thing is I would also be uploading quizzes related to it. I would be uploading quizzes related to these skills. Now please remember one thing, only one thing, that if you are going if you are going to have a number of, no matter what is coming over here, it is always going to be plural. ये हमेशा plural होगा. अगर आप लिख रहे हैं a number of people, ये हमेशा होगा are coming, not is coming. It would always be a number of people are coming, a number of questions are being asked. A number. Majority लोग ये समझते हैं a का word आ गया है तो ये singular होना चाहिए. A number का मतलब है कि आपका जो helping verb है आगे जो भी आएगा वो हमेशा plural होगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. So a number of people, a number of people, a number of people. A means plural. Not is, it would be are. If you look at the second sentence, you're having the number of people is coming or are coming. Which one would be right? The number of people is coming or the number of people are coming. If you look at this sentence, what do you see? you have the number. Now please remember another thing. If you have, अगर आपको the number आ जाता है तो कभी भी R नहीं लग सकता, impossible है. आपको हमेशा is लगाना पड़ेगा. अब प्रॉब्लम होगी कुछ लोगों के लिए, there would be a problem for most people, कि वो ये कहेंगे कि इधर अ नंबर लगा हुआ है तो हम इधर इज लगा दें, इधर द नंबर लगा हुआ है तो हम इधर आर लगा दें. कुछ नहीं, या कुछ लोग दोनों पे आर लगा देंगे, दोनों पे इज लगा देंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, दैट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, दैट इफ यू आर हैविंग, if you're writing down a number of complaints was made or were made, a number of complaints were made, क्योंकि पहला word है a number. If you have a number, you always have to say a number of complaints were made. इस लेक्चर के बाद मैं एक क्विज को अपलोड करूंगा, जिसके बाद आपको ये पता लगेगा जो आपने अभी किया है उससे आपको कुछ समझ भी आई है या नहीं आई. जो लोग अभी लाइव हो रहे हैं, कल मैं 12 बजे, रोज के 5 मैंने कॉमन कंफ्यूजन्स कराने हैं, तो कल मैं 12 बजे ये क्लास स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, राइट? If you look at the second sentence, you see the number. The number means what? The number of players going there is increasing. The number of players going there is increasing. होगा या R होगा? If you're using the word the number means it has to be singular. Fine. I hope all of you have understood it. So a number जो होता है उसके साथ हमेशा आप plural अगला helping verb लगाते हैं, और the number जो होता है उसके साथ हमेशा singular करते हैं. Okay? I now want you guys to wait for the next lecture, and as soon as I'm done with all these lectures, I would also be uploading the quizzes, and I want you guys to write down your scores in the comment box. अगर आप comment box के अंदर, कुछ students हैं मेरे जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मिस्टर ए के, जो quizzes जब भी मैं अपलोड करता हूँ वो उस पर ज़रूर attempt करते हैं. So that is very good. So let me just revise it for the very last time. A number होगा, a number of people, what would it be? It would be a number of people are coming. If you have the other one, the number of people, the number means it is going to be always singular, so it would be the number of people is, not the number of people are coming, the number of people is coming. The number means it is always going to be is. Okay, thank you.